So we are going the PicsArt application. When you open it, it will show you the dashboard like this way. And there's so many templates right here. What we have to do, we have to click that purple button right there. And right here, guys, you can find your photos, videos, collage photos, templates, and camera if you want to take the direct pictures, and drawing if you know how to draw, and the background guys, as you can see, that's the for the paid subscriptions, and free photos background. There is a lot of free photos background, and of course we're going to use the clear background. We're going to use the white color, and it gives you this free size. And right down, guys, there is a crop option. We have to click that one to resize our thumbnail. There is so many options right here. When you click that crop options, there is a Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, but of course we have to use the YouTube. That's exactly the size of the YouTube thumbnail. Once you click that one, it's auto resize. We have to apply, gives us the exact size. Now what we have to do, down there you can see there is the option also to add to crop, and yeah, there's a lot of options, features right there for editing. We have to add our pictures right here. Add the picture, click that one. We have to choose this one picture at the top and add. When you add it, guys, it's there now. Now you can use your fingertip to zoom in and zoom out, and right down there is the effect that you can change, but of course we have to use the normal one. And there is also the brightness that you can highlight. Yeah, but that's the one. Saturation, but of course we have to keep our pictures the same so that the quality, it will not be changed. So now what we have to do, guys, we have to cut out the pictures. When you cut out, there is two options right here. If you click that one, it will give you the auto cut out. So let me press that one. This is the one, guys. It's not perfect. The background still there. When you save it, it will show you the background. There is a little bit there. So we have to undo that one in order for us to cut out again. So cut out again and use the eraser sign to remove those extras behind. Yeah, that's right. And the other side, we just need to be careful, guys, otherwise we are going to remove the ears. And yeah, so when you finish that one, guys, you can save again, and it will give you the final touch or the result. That's right. And oops, that's fine. I can't, oh my god, I'm not really good in this. Okay, we save, and as you can see, that's exactly what we need. Now what we have to do, we have to place, I want to place in this side. You can place wherever you like using your fingertip. You can put the border, guys, if you want to put black color. Yeah, that's the border. Of course, if we are going to use the white color, it doesn't make sense because we're using the white background. We're just going to use the peach color to highlight a little bit. That's the one. And down, guys, there is right there is the option as well if you want to write something using the templates and write something or say something. Thanks for watching this video. And you can change the color as well. You can larger, you can make it smaller, and if you want to change, you just double click and change the templates. We're going to use this one and drag it over center and adjust the arrow. And if you want to change the color, you can obviously change the color. And here there is a sticker. We're going to add a sticker button or a subscribe button. And of course it's easy for us to search. We can always type and click this one and put it in the wherever you like. For me, I like to put in that place. And of course, if you want to add more sticker, those sticker guys are for the paid subscriptions. So we're looking for the free sticker. I'm going to search the stars since my channel is Garci Stars. So I'm going to check the stars and choose the free stars. And let's put in the right place, center. We can rotate the templates or anything, guys. We can rotate, and you can put also the lens flare, but I just wanted to show you this, guys, but I'm not going to put this because we don't want to have a flowery thumbnail. So we delete that one and we're done. So apply and next, of course, advertise, exit, save, and download, and we're done. So we're going exit and let's check in our gallery. It's there. Now what we have to do, we have to open the YT Studio, YouTube Studio, guys. Go to the dashboard, choose the video, and click any video that you want to change. And edit thumbnail. And here there's an option. Click that one, goes to your gallery, and change. Select and save. That's how very easy, guys. So now we have the save thumbnail and updated thumbnail in our YouTube page. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. I wish that this video helps you a little. And don't forget to subscribe.